Yeah.
Yeah.
I gave you the nod, bro.
You need to do a little more aggressive nod.
I got it.
We locked eyes and I gave you the nod.
Like a little vibe nod.
Alright.
It is early as shit. Last night, we picked this up. It's a 2007 Legacy 2.5 GT. We got this car for Yamie. It's an automatic. I said 07 GT limited. Full package. We got this car for a steal. So it's a fat, beefy, I don't even know what brand intercooler this is. It might just be an eBay intercooler. There's a brand new turbo that was replaced. Stock downpipe. You guys know about that. Only issues with it is when they put the new turbo on, somebody cracked the up pipe. But me and Ivan both have extra up pipes that we can just toss in there. And this thing should be good to go. It's pretty clean all the way around. Has no rust down here. There's no rust underneath. I guess the only problem with it right here is this body panel that she got hit on, but it's pretty good.
Okay, so today we're going to be taking Yamie's car to the shop. But before that, I'm trying to take the parent catted downpipe off Carlos's car, so when we get it to the shop, we could do the up pipe, the downpipe, the turbo inlet, and a couple other things. Alright, so now we just got Yamie's car back to the shop. I'm about to have her unbox everything. This is her first time ever getting to unbox her own car parts. So after that, we're going to start diving into everything. I'm going to show her how to do it so she can actually work on her car and say she did stuff to it.
Bro, who opens a box like that?
Like what?
No, you were just flinging that shit like. When I buy mine. Come on, dude.
You just sneezed on me. Right now.
Your hand came up a little quicker than you thought.
Oh my god.
It's never good when the hammer comes out in the engine bay.
Here. Hey. Down. Hey. Oh my god, I saw my light flash before my fucking eyes. All I could see was that socket.
Yeah, they make this stuff called community blaster.
Or they make a thing called...
Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
You're not like... Yo, what is that? It's me trying to reposition my hand.
Oh my god!
See why my light flashed before my eyes before? Right there. Yeah. It definitely was not the first time. Not drain bucket.
Because I'm holding the fucking coolant from spraying out.
Okay.
Because it cools the oil filter. Yes, you're at the.
Get ready. Another day in the house of pain.
How we feeling?
In pain.
Alright, so after like 3-4 days of working on this, the biggest thing that held us up was the turbo inlet. We actually had to take off the manifold, get it on, and then put the manifold back on, connect everything. Okay, so we just finished putting the car back together. Now what we're gonna do is we have this smoke tester here. I'm about to take off the line that goes to the brake booster, put some mineral oil in there, and grab a battery. Smoke test it, make sure we don't have any air leaks anywhere. And then once we know if there's no air leaks, we're gonna start it up.